Artoonza.
In this easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a donut using a bottle cap. Or as I like to call it, a yummy yummy because I'm hungry right now. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Yellow. Give us a big thumbs up. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Brown. Snowy white.
Wow!
Mix it up, mix it up.
Aw, so cute.
Mix it up, mix it up. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Give us your like. No, 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 no. Pink. Color, color, color. Green.
Wow!
Red. Don't be shy, color high. Glitter time. Let's make it shine.
Aw, so cute.
Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.